Google recently added a new feature to Google Classroom called practice sets. Students get real-time feedback when they complete a practice set. What's really cool, though, is if they get stuck and need support, they can see some automated hints and video suggestions that are selected based on a learning skill that you would add as a teacher. So this is a very quick introduction to practice sets. You can access it through the menu on the left, or you'll see it right here as well. So if you click on that, go to Create. I'm just going to call this a math practice. Give it a name, type your question. Please solve the equation. You can use math type. I'm just going to go x plus 4 equals 10. Okay. Oh, short answer can be auto-graded, paragraph cannot, single select and multi-select can all be auto-graded. So I'm going to leave this a short answer, and I'm going to put my answer in here as x equals 6. Now, down here at the bottom under skills, if you click on it, Google will actually look at the question and try to decide what skills might be needed for it. So in this case, click solve linear equations. You could also search for other skills. So solve whatever other kind of thing you'd want. You could type some keywords in there, but what's cool is that Google will try to predict the skill that you need. I also really like you can try it as a student. Many of you have asked with other tools, how can I see what this looks like for a student? Here you go. Click try as a student. A new tab opens. And now you get to have the full experience that a student would have. So a student maybe could just type in the answer real quick, or maybe you're going to ask them to show your work. Box pops up. Over on the left, you can turn on inking. So now what you can do is have the students actually show their work. Go from there. And then up here, they type in, or they could type in the answer, but since you have inking turned on, they actually write in the answer. And you can see right here, it's telling you what, the practice set is telling you what it interprets your writing as. They come over here and you can hit check. Now, what I would like to do before I do that actually is I'm going to do something over here to make it appear as though it's not the right answer. So when I hit check, it's going to look at that. It's going to say, nope, try again. But right here, this little guy pops up, show a hint. You didn't have to type all that in. It gives you some helpful hints. So you can come back, you can try again, come over here, hit the eraser, erase. Now you're back to your work. If you wanted to show another hint, you can pop back over there, get the same information, and then hit check. And there you go. Now you've got that the correct answer came, a little bit of celebration. So this is just a new tool that Google Classroom added. If you also, there is this extra help button up here, so you have a hint and extra help. If you click extra help, there's actually videos and all sorts of things. And again, you didn't have to add this. This was just something that based on the problem and the skills that were suggested, or you could, again, also add. Google found these for you. So if you have questions about this or want to dig into it a little more, schedule some time with myself or Pat and we can look at it with you. This is just for a quick intro of a kind of cool new feature. If you have any questions, let us know.